The majority of the accidental foreign body injection occurs in children, usually who are younger than 5 years, and all these objects are small plastic objects and household things, whereas the most concerning thing is the button batteries. The button batteries or the small magnets, either it could be multiple or one single magnet with a metallic object. These warrant immediate removal endoscopically. In case of button batteries, when we are suspecting, if the button batteries are present in the esophagus and if the baby is otherwise stable, we have to immediately remove the button batteries within 2 hours. But if there is active bleeding or there is clinically unstable child, then we have to remove the button batteries endoscopically in an OR. And if there is any evidence of esophageal injury, we have to admit the patient, keep him NPO and give IV antibiotics and consider CT angiography to exclude any aortic injury. If there is no significant injury in the surrounding tissue, then the esophagogram to exclude the leaks before advancing diet is tolerated. But if there is an injury close to the aorta, then we continue NPO and do serial MRIs every 5 to 7 days until the injury is receded from the aorta. But in the presence of hematemesis or upper GI bleed within 21 days of removal, we assume aortoenteric fistula and emergently prepare for thoracotomy. Now, if this button batteries are present in gastric or beyond, and the child is less than 5 years of age, or if the button battery size is more than 2 centimeter, then we will consider the assessment of any esophageal injury and endoscopic removal within 24 to 48 hours. But if there is esophageal injury present, then we'll again admit the child, keep him NPO and give IV antibiotics and consider CT angiograph and MRI of the chest. But if the child is more than 5 years and the button battery size is less than 2 centimeters, then we will consider an outpatient observation only and repeat x-rays every 48 hours for batteries more than 2 centimeters and repeat x-rays every 10 to 14 days if the battery is less than 2 centimeters and they fail to pass in the stools. Endoscopic removal, if GI symptoms developed and their batteries are not passed in the stools, then we have to do an endoscopic removal.